All right, all right, all right. The market is closed. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so it's quite obvious that this is just an indecisive bar, right? So we just had a lot of chopping around today, maybe a little push down. If you're doing income trades, give you an opportunity to get in with a bit of a premium. The credit spreads I'm talking about. Um, so, but if you just look at that, it's just indecisive. What we have going on is tomorrow we have the Fed meeting and oil tomorrow, which usually makes for a choppy market. But we have the Fed minutes tomorrow at 2 o'clock. People are wondering what's going on with that. We have the ADP report tomorrow, which could move the markets, give us an indication of what December looked like. And we have non-farm on Friday. So we could talk about setups, but actually, what I'd rather show you is part of trading is knowing when not to trade. And on days, well, let's look at a 2 minute. On days like this, um, well, no, 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 no. Here's the morning action, and it kept breaking, breaking highs and then trading back, breaking highs and then trading back, and then it started breaking lows and trading back in. So if you're trading with stops, you're going to get pretty damn chewed up in a market like this. Um, if you took the trade breaking the low of the day, then you had a pretty good trade going on right there. But then it returns to this choppy pattern. And this is a 2 minute chart. So if you were taking trades on breakouts, you'd run up a little bit, you get popped out, you run up a little bit, you get popped out. So on a choppy day like this, I kind of back away. And there was a 21 point low, I think, at one point, and then it turned around. And the afternoon trade, which was the snapback, was a better trade. And you could see it right here. Here it makes the low, makes a lower high from here to here, a lower high. That's the consolidation. Makes a higher low, then you can anticipate a higher high. And then you could trail this all the way up, take the ride. I didn't take the trade in the afternoon. The sun came out and I went chilling. You could also see kind of a head and shoulders right there if you wanted to play that. I would have played the trend reversal, but you could have taken that sloppy head and shoulders right there, and that would have put you in the trend to the up move. Don't really worry about the sell off here. That's just people cleaning up their books. Blink. So I'm not going to rip through all of the securities because tomorrow should be a flat day. And there shouldn't be any surprises in the minutes. It's what went on last month at the Fed meeting. And it was what was testified before Congress, testified to before Congress. So there shouldn't be any surprises, but the market historically backs away from it. The ADP report is going to be interesting, and the non-farm is something that you should watch for. So that's it. Everybody have a nice evening. Um, I'll see you in the morning. Do me a favor, subscribe and hit the bell and hit the like. And if you could hit me up with a comment, I appreciate that too. This is off-grid trading, which I am off the grid, and I'm having a hard time getting good high-speed data so that I could stream and trade. And obviously, not that I don't love everybody out there, but I'd much rather be trading than streaming. Pays the bills. So have a good evening. Everybody stay calm and cool when you're trading. You should be at peace when you're trading. And good luck trading.